Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Iyetunde Adeyemi and I am a flight attendant. So today we are going to go diving directly into the topic of today, your LinkedIn page. Do you have a LinkedIn page? It's very important. Your LinkedIn page is more like your online CV. In my last video, I gave out, for those who are interested, I gave out 2 templates for you to be able to create your CV, for you to guide you in creating your CV that can help you pass through the ATS tracking system. Now, if you are still finding it difficult for you to create a very good CV for yourself, you can send me an email. I leave my email in the description box below, and we'll discuss on how I can help you do your CV, because I actually also help people revamp their CV specifically for the cabin crew position. So if you want me to revamp your CV tailored to the cabin crew position, I will definitely do that. Just send me an email and I would make sure to get back to you, and we'll discuss more on what we need to do. Now, number 2, I have a mini course I created for you. Now, this mini course is very, very important. It's going to help you because there are certain things that I do not discuss on my YouTube channel that I talk about in that mini course. I talked about the aviation schools that is best for you, which one is best for you, how to get jobs in other African countries. I also went ahead as um, explaining what having a premium package in LinkedIn page, what it does. I went deep into the corporate flight attendant, what you need to do. All that and more is in the mini course, and it's available by clicking the link in this description box at a token that you can afford. At a token that you can afford. I promise you that once you get this mini course, in fact, a lot of things you would understand, and a lot of things that will help and guide you through your decision to become a flight attendant. So let's get into today's topic. A LinkedIn page puts you out there to recruiters all over the world. A LinkedIn page is not a Facebook page. It's not an Instagram page. It's totally different. It's a professional environment. That is where you sell yourself to the world to see what you're able, the value that you bring. With a LinkedIn page, you have put yourself out there. I left to me, I just feel that once you have your CV in your flash drive, you have limited yourself to the person you can give the CV to. But when you have your LinkedIn page, is you have put yourself out there for the world to see. And what even makes it even much better is when you build the right connections. And how do you build the right connections? You build the right connections by typing into flight attendants in so and so airline, flight attendants in so place, and it will bring out the names of people that work there. And that's how you build your connection. You build your connection according to what you're interested in. Even LinkedIn will suggest certain people to you according to your interests. And one of the beauty about LinkedIn is the premium package. The premium package, they have this LinkedIn learning where you can do a lot of courses tied to what it is that you're interested in. We're talking about flight attendants. They have courses on customer care. And you see, not just customer care, they have different topics. How to handle an abusive customer, how to learn about customer service in a continuously changing. In fact, they even have the one of AI and customer care. They have lots and lots when you pay for the premium package. However, let's dive into how to create a LinkedIn page.
Starting again, I'll fill out email. First name. Gonna continue. Onboarding has started. All right. Your location, Nigeria, your recent job title, whatever it is that you're doing. If you're a student, if you're a receptionist, but I always advise that it's better to put customer care. So whatever it is you're doing that has to do with you relating with another person is customer service. Your recent company, okay, you can see the part where it's wrote I'm a student. So you can also put your recent company where you work. Let's say I work in hmm, Trojan Consultants. It has list of some companies already. So okay, let me not use I don't want to use a company that it has the name. I need to let me use I never even knew there was something called children. I just thought about it. Um legacy legacy schools. Let's say you're a teacher. Yeah, it's also on LinkedIn. Legacy consultant. Okay, continue. Mm. So it has sent a code to the email. So I'll just go to the email and check what the code is. So it will send a code to your own email. So you check and you type in the code. So here, yes, I'm actively looking for a job. Not really, but we consider no, I'm not interested in any job opportunity. So yes, I'm actively looking for a job. So it goes to next. So it asks you what kind of job are you looking for? Flight attendant. Down menu, which means you're there. Okay. Thank you. Flight attendant. Can as well put it. He said you can select up to 5 titles and 5 locations. So let's do cabin crew. Let's do VVIP. Let's see if there's anything for VVIP cabin crew. Okay. So that's basically it. Flight attendant, cabin crew. Job location. You can choose. First of all, you choose Nigeria. Okay. You can choose Togo. Guess there's nothing for Togo here. You can choose Dubai. Let's see if there's anything for Dubai. United Arab Emirates. You choose Africa. Okay, the whole of Africa. All right. So go to the next. Share with recruiters. So it's on already. Mm, Doing nights, telling you connect with people. Let you see connecting with people. Let you see updates and keep in touch. So let's keep that for now. See consultants. Strengthen your profile with an AI writing assistant. Try premium for free. So when you're just signing into LinkedIn page, you are given premium for free for 1 month. And I talked about, if you can, it is better for you to um, go for the premium. So the good thing is you have premium for 1 month, so you can see all the things that I talked about. So let me first of all go to your profile, view your profile. So verify your profile using your international passport, and not just international passport or any of government ID, but the international passport is faster. So I'm waiting for the page to load. So this is your URL. This is what you share if you want. If someone tells you, let me see your LinkedIn profile, this is the URL you will copy. So you're actually meant to add your profile section. And in the profile section, you're meant to add your profile photos, which is here and here. Make sure it's a professional photo. It's not Facebook, it's not Instagram. Make sure it's a professionally taken photo. Then here you add your about me, that is about you as a person, your career, just like 50 words. And you can also do that by downloading Chat GPT on your phone, and you can tell Chat GPT that you want to write an about me on your LinkedIn page and to bring something out. Do not copy and paste, because these days it's very easy to know someone who is using AI machine, very easy to detect. So whatever ChatGPT gives to you, try as much as possible to also create your own out of what it gives to you. I'm sure you understand what I mean by what I just said. So you also add your education, starting with the most recent. Don't start with your education of 1980 something or 19. Start with your most recent education. Then you add your position, start with the most recent position, the services that you offer, your career break. If you had a career break due to a situation, you also write it. However, make sure that also during your career break, you were also busy doing something. Then you add your skills, customer service, problem solving, teamwork. You can add up to 10 skills. I'll show you my LinkedIn page so that that can help you in, so like to explain better all this that I'm talking about, because your, since I have not filled the ad profile section, a lot of things will be limited because you've not fully filled in your profile. Then this open to is mainly open to finding a new job. Then let's see what it's written here. Okay, let's scroll up. It also gives, when you put your name, maybe someone that you have known in the past or someone that works in the same industry as you, LinkedIn starts to suggest that you connect with them. Then you add skills, your add skills linked to your experience. Which industry do you work in? Mm, the first remember that we clicked on some people that wanted to follow. So remember we clicked on Bill Gates and some other people. So these are the top voices. You can still add to them if you want. So when you're looking for jobs, this is where you go to. So due to customer service that you wrote, you can see the job that it has provided. If you want to change it, you can change it to flight attendant jobs. You can also choose where. Let's choose Dubai. Let me change the location. Yes, Dubai, Arab Emirates. So flight attendant in Dubai. So cabin crew opportunities. You, this is part of um, Emirates doesn't recruit only UAE residents, but I guess maybe for this particular one, they want only UAE residents. There's cabin crew training, general operations coordinator. It will show you all the um, vacancies in Emirates. So currently, Emirates is recruiting for UAE residents only, not citizens. Residents are people that are based in UAE. Let's look at another city. Let's say America. No, let's say Washington. all I'm just trying to show you is that according to the job that you're looking for, you will always find destinations. If you want flight attendant in Togo, it will bring out what it has. I'm not saying that it will have accurate vacancies, not accurate vacancies. I'm not saying that it's going to show you the exact company that is recruiting. That's the company that has put out an advert, because some companies don't put out their adverts, especially Nigerian airlines. So if I even put flight attendants in Nigeria, it's not going to bring out the airlines that are in Nigeria, because most airlines in Nigeria do not post their vacancies on LinkedIn. I'm showing you how to open a LinkedIn page if you want to become an international cabin crew. This is the CV this is how you put yourself out there. If you want to become a corporate flight attendant, this is the CV that you put out there. Okay, so let me sign out.